Hey guys, I'm Arek from areknav.com and today I've got a different kind of video for you. We'll be covering some of, in my opinion, the most interesting web development news from the past week. We'll talk about great many things ranging from articles to small announcements. So if you like that kind of content, consider leaving a like and getting subscribed. Let's get started. We all know JavaScript isn't an ideal language and has some issues. This short article on Medium touches on one of them. Spoiler warning, it's related to the word banana. I mean, just look at this piece of code and try to figure out what's going on. How interesting and bizarre JavaScript can be. Whether you're a web developer or not, knowing a bit more is always a good thing, especially when talking about Git. This blog post from Dev2 gives you a nice explanation of what's what when it comes to Git. Keep in mind that it's not beginner friendly, so if you haven't already, you might want to first get a grasp of what Git's all about. For that, I'll link one of my articles in the description as well. With Microsoft's Edge going Chromium, there are only a few browsers left that can counter Google's dominance. One of them, Firefox, has just received an update that's most likely the last one for this year and the decade. Either way, the improvements include some minor tweaks, both on the user as well as the developer's side. If you want to learn more about all the differences, links are in the description. Throughout the years, Node.js allowed JavaScript to be run on the backend while also becoming a major technology on its own. With 2020 on the horizon, what will the Node.js project look like going into the future and what new features should we expect? This article from Octablog covers all of that together with Node.js release cycle and other nice details. Check it out if you're interested in the topic. Machine learning and AI are constantly growing, and while JavaScript might not be the best choice for such use cases, it can still help you get a grasp of the general idea. A new open source project called NanoNeuron does just that. It's a simple implementation of the neuron concept meant to allow you to learn a thing or two about the basics of machine learning. Give it a look, maybe it'll help you create your own AI. Everything is available for free on GitHub. It's official, WebAssembly has been approved by the W3C organization as the fourth language to be used on the web. If you've already been using it, good for you, but if you haven't, there's not much of a difference. Just know that it will be getting even more attention going forward. Lastly, a simple announcement. The 2019 edition of State of JS survey has begun. Yet again, it's meant to provide insights on the JavaScript ecosystem based on the collected data. So check it out and answer a few questions for the greater good of the JS community. So that's it guys, all of the links can be found in the description. As a shameless plug, I've also included 2 of my last week's articles about the VS Code and creating a console-based game in JS. Let me know in the comments what do you think of such a kind of video. And if you like it, leave a like, get subscribed and follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Reddit to stay up to date with all of my latest content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.